27 quick tips to make this year your best year yet, and achieve your goals. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy Channel, stay tuned. Remember that the quality of your life is determined by the quality of your thoughts. Remember that all great ideas were first ridiculed. Keep the promises you make to others and to yourself. The project that most scares you is the project you need to do first. Small daily improvements are the key to staggering long-term results. Take 60 minutes every weekend to craft a blueprint for the coming 7 days. Give your teammates, customers and family one of the greatest gifts of all, the gift of your attention. Push the important stuff to the top. Every morning ask yourself, how may I best serve the most people? Every night ask yourself, what 5 good things happened to me this day? Don't waste your most valuable morning hours doing low-value work. Leave every project you touch at work better than you found it. Your job is not just to work. Your job is to leave a trail of leaders behind you. A job is not just a job. Every job is a gorgeous vehicle to express your gifts and talents, and to model exceptionalism for all around you. Fears unfaced become your limits. Shut up and listen. Conversations get so much further, so much faster, when you close your mouth, open your ears, deprioritize your own agenda, and truly understand someone else's. Get up at 5 a.m. and take 60 minutes to prepare your mind, body, emotions and spirit to be remarkable during the hours that follow. Being a superstar is not the domain of the gifted, but the prepared. Write love letters to your family. Smile at strangers. Keep a journal. Your life's story is worth recording. Do more than you're paid to do, and do work that leaves your teammates breathless. In a world where technology is causing some of us to forget how to act human, become the politest person you know. Leave your ego at the door every morning. Set 5 daily goals every morning. These small wins will lead to nearly 2,000 little victories by the end of the year. Say please and thank you. Remember, the secret to happiness is doing work that matters, and being an instrument of service. Associate something you love with something you want to accomplish. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.